I'm a some way. If you are sitting somewhere else thinking you can distract me, you can't. I can distract you because I was built for this. Me say ya chicken of rata na kwatena kwato na utie bi. Na wo kind newspaper na utwa to. Say be ya wudi 80 years I would akire wo nananom say na me ka ho ne to aba edi yi nkofo free power me achi omugu mu. So what you say? Match ma Wontumi ko demu, kenofurata ko demu, obo mu di esika no. You need to be part of the record. You need to be part of history. It also tenas now witnessing the prosecution of kenofuriata. Now when na nyini a ebede no bohu di esiye ema wa kire chenwome mu akire omo. Wait, ye nyina ye twan the history na to na ya ka kire nananom ansa na yewu ye di 100 a. Intimen ku hu dabi ye ntwan ye nyina ye jeli omo wie na ye nyini a ye nananom ba na da chom say na meka ho meto abade bi 2024 ye na ye change Ghana destiny and the mu nyina munya den oman pa amutim. So what am I say? Me hesitate. It is the NDC. That is why I want the NDC to still stay in power for long and the NPP to be a good opposition for long. That is my job. I have no problems with anybody. After all these things, John Mahama, it was tough for John Mahama before he lost power in 2016. The damage that was done to John Mahama, the damage some people, politicians, are for a handful. The damage that was done to his image as a human being, the damage that was done to himself, his family, his wife, the damage, it cut deep. It wasn't even just about politics. It's about targeting a family that this man has built. People who were his friends, people who he believed could have helped him sustain power and rule this nation diligently. Some of them technically backstabbed him. They stabbed him in the back. Some people became enemies overnight. John Dramani Mahama, it was tough. To clean John Mahama from 2017 to 2020 wasn't easy. The media was hijacked. You could not go out there and speak your mind. The atrocities, the suppression. You could not speak against the Kufuor administration. But John Mahama said he is from Gonja. Professor Nana Oposi is a fanti. They told themselves they were going to fight. They were going to speak the truth. They were going to send a message across. The media was hijacked. You could not speak. People like us came in. We said to ourselves, until Ghana is taken away from criminals, murderers, we will not stop. We also added our voice. We supported John Mahama. We supported Nana Oposi because we have that belief in them. 2020 elections, Nana Dankwa Kufuor and the NPP saw that Ghanaians, you drew that point where we know they were tyrants. They were destroying the nation. They were stealing and they were disrespecting the rule of law. 2020, they shot 8 people. People were killed all over the place because they didn't want to hand over power to John Mahama. The election ended up in court. The Chief Justice then, some of the judges then said we needed to hear both parties to know who actually won election 2020. And yet the leader or the referee in the elections, your friend EC Jane Mensah, you catch and say Umbra Court. Now Umbra country Ghana for say why in the win elections till date. Jane Mensah told Ghana for say she was not going to appear in court and that election results are 10 on the day or the elections ama Nanado Dankwa Kufuor. So in 2020 we did not have an official election result from the EC. The court also did what? Told us to go to the UK. There's something called the Black Book. The election petition now court, the court, the Supreme Court of Ghana, under the leadership of Enini Yabua and Tokonu, who was also on the bench, they told us to go to the UK. There is a book, some white man, Atro, your friend, the Black Book, and no, and the interpretation in film. People were angry. Ghanaians got pissed off. The respect that basically we gave the president and also the party NPP, it was shattered into pieces. Nana Dankwa Kufuor forcefully took power from 2020. A tyrant ruling like a Democrat. What happened was that at that point he became more comfortable and now he decided to become more crazier. From 2020 to 2024, it was crazy. People were being arrested. People were being shot. People disrespected the rule of law. Parliament was hijacked. Nana Dankwa Kufuor, as the president, his own Attorney General Godfrey Dame was cutting deals. He was caught on tape. So many things happened in this country. The country was messed up. We could not speak as a people because some group of people, they opened the forest. They entered our forest. Omu Botuo, they were bringing in weapons. Chairman Wontumi, Samia Uku, Kojo Ponkroma, Professor Frimpong Boatia, or the head of a sector, now lands ministry, no, or throw a report, come out, president say, Nipa way na essence, aseno, in the 2 weeks, and a president say be a forest, they say, almost a forest in him, na omunko to gala. Nayati Kroma from 2017 to 2020. Mahmoud Bawumia Kachere said, "Wa lucky dollar no." So after NPP won election 2020, we thought to say dollar no, Bawumia was still going to lock the dollar. It started rising. Mahmoud Bawumia decided not to speak on air the economy again. Mahmoud Bawumia and his wife decided not to speak on the economy again. Now Bawumia became a digitalized man. Because of lies, atro into that economy in Wasem. Dollar that was given to the NPP in 2016 at 4.3. In 2024, the dollar was hitting 18. Now people started getting scared. Businessmen were getting scared. All the way around 2014, 2024 October, businesses had collapsed. Multi-million-dollar companies were folding up. People who had money, their capitals were basically dying. They did not know what to do. Prices of goods and services was out of the roof. Ghanaians were scared. There was so much tension in the system. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo was not showing any sign that he was ready to sell. The people felt that we are stupid. The NPP, Mahmoud Bawumia, also came in and said that he is smarter than Akufo-Addo. He had 33 policies that have brought us from 2017 to 2024. The dollar is now 17. Yakacha Bawumia said the 33 policies and the economic management team or head, he is not intelligent enough to lead Ghana. The NPP insulted every single person in Ghana. They disrespected chiefs. Your bon national anthem, not president on the phone so. Your bon national anthem, not president Bajin on the phone so. Your bon national anthem, not president. Instructed the minister say, "Uncle di penina term if you say or hine no home fano." We saw all these things happen. A country. Yatna krom ha yakofa mikimel baye the Jubilee House amanfo benum wi wo ho ewure mu kobo nyom ka the F word. We sat in this country yehu eye omanya nipa bi ewie mu sika. Bank of Ghana boka 60 billion. We asked for the money, we could not find any money. Yenya COVID-19 sika funds close to $4 billion till date. We cannot recall say obi etumi chere the $4 billion under NPP. All of these things happened. All these things happened. Ghanaians still were quiet. The anger na we nipem na edwadifo ayedin na ahemfo ayedin asofo ayedin Ghana imbebunu no ma yedin free SHS in Kwarako school no mu die aduane bone na omuwu in Sembebresi people were screaming. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and his family, they were insulting and jubilating. They had already taken over all our resources. PDS and they did not care about how we felt. Great chiefs and kings were disrespected. The rule of law was stepped upon. These people in 2024, they were going to take power. Brian Champo Jina and the Krom Kachre Ghana for say, and the Diomubeye Bia Aboni Patu Ajitumino, Yankai Eye Ayawasu West Wagon. They will not release power today. They will not release power tomorrow. They will never release power. They put a lot of fear in Ghanaians. They scared every single person on the street of Ghana. The military was being weaponized. The police were weaponized against the people. Ghanaians were scared. We did not know what to say. Majority of the people at night all watched my show quietly and told themselves the day will come. So many people at the end of the day were quiet because they knew their plans. They had already planned what they would do. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo in the Bushia, they were looting. They were speaking to us like we are children. They were insulting us every single day. They did not care. They did not respect us. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they did not give up. 2020 to 2024, John Mahama was still roaming around the nation, talking to Ghanaians in small numbers, telling them that I have been here before. These people were lying to you. Give the NDC power and that Ghana will change and that I will do things better. I have been here and I know the inside out. Ghanaians were listening. Ghanaians were looking at John Mahama's body language. They were listening to a man who had purpose. They knew, so with John Mahama coming into office and Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman being his vice, they knew they were going to be adults in the Jubilee House. So many people had made up their mind all the way in 2023. They were scared because Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo was ruling A tyrant who basically ruled and acted as if he was a Democrat. So many people were scared in Ghana, but they waited. They were quiet. They were listening. Ghana for eto efa omobua omontonentem. In the time John Mahama air campaign, Oko Oba, Okasa, na manfo didn't who fell, a manfo aiding a terminal, he stood still. He was very resolute. He told Ghana for what he wanted to do.
I've been out of government for almost 8 years now. I did my best. I wouldn't say things were perfect, but at least we're making progress. What I can promise you is that I will be truthful to you. I will never tell you lies. I will never tell you things that I can't do. The problem with this country is that our policies are based on the short cycle of winning elections every 4 years. And we are not creating the foundation for this economy to take off. And so, we're not making you promises. I'm promising you that I'll work hard day and night to make sure that we reset the fortunes of this country. 4 years of a good leader will make more impact than 8 years of a dishonest leader.
John Mahama, no, your campaign. Okacha said 4 years of a good leader. 4 years of a good leader, it will yield more results than 8 years of a bad leader. The NPP were still insulting him. He was telling the people the truth. There was so much anger in the hearts of Ghanaians. Ghanaians were quiet, but they were pissed off. We could not even talk as brothers and sisters. The anger, the clear abuse of power by the Kufuor administration, Mahamudu Bawumia's wife, Chairman Wontumi, all these people, the exhibition of foolishness to the highest level. Ghanaians were angry. They did not say anything, but the NDC made sure that they could communicate with Ghanaians through their adverts, through their messages on different platforms. Ghanaians resonated. They understood what the NDC they were saying. So you felt how Ghanaians actually embraced when anytime the NDC spoke about hardship, how they wanted everything to be done in a certain way. Not NDC, NPP for Ntiomo. It is important. Say about reflecting all the time.
Ghana for bread, and suppose you've done better. You've done better. I will cry so. I will cry so. Who had your dollar now? My pocket, my baby.
Vote John Dramani Mahama on December 7th. Let's save Ghana.
So Ghanaians were listening. Now you tie message, you know. Now Mahama at a point in 2023, 2024. Now you could see that he was tired. So original stage in Okasa, it was hard for you to even hear. You could see Professor Nano Pukwajman. You could see not bra or bre, just to hop on one car, hop in the other car, go around the nation at her age. All because they wanted to take back the democracy and then hand it over to you. They wanted you to be happy. They wanted you to have that belief in your country again. At a point, now Mahama nan hokra ya mobo. At a point, Professor Nano Pukwajman nan hokra ya mobo. You could see that they were going down there to tell the people this was the last chance. And that say jaiwe manekwa our democracy. Ejuma kwa nkruma mu ye ejuma ye jina ye you know, it will go down the drain. But remember, they were preaching message. It carried hope. Because without hope, nobody would believe what you were telling them. So they made the people know, say, baby, NPP for the Ghana be do. Oma botu, oma say o mine, oma de nimtia abre o mine constitution. We need to still believe. We need to have hope that if we are able to make the right decision, 7 December 2024, things will change for the better. So their message, it was about hope. Nano Pokwajima at her age, now a bread. John Dramani Mahama at his age, now a bread. At a point, when you know John Mahama or Kasakura na won't say. At a point, na John Mahama jina wenim no okasa, you could not even see his eyes. At a point, you could see, say, what this man was doing was not just because of politics. He was doing it because he was ordained to come and make sure, say, we'll be breaking that jinx. Nana do Dankwe Kufuado, NPP, Bawo Miamo, Eria to Ghana for so. It was tough. But they still kept pushing the message. They kept pushing the message. Ghanaians were listening. Ghanaians were now picking the ones that they think will benefit them. But still, we were quiet. The NDC were still using the music, the songs. They were preaching the gospel through the music they were sending around. We were struggling. We were scared. That's the most important one. Every single person was scared. The big men and the small men in Ghana, every single person was scared because nobody could trust Ekufuado and Mahamudu Bawumia. No one in Ghana could trust Ekufuado and Bawumia because in 2020, Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado, Bawumia, and the NPP, they killed the same Ghanaians to take power. So we were scared. We were scared. We were also doubting if we will come out even to vote for NDC. We were not even sure. But deep down our heart, we knew we wanted a change. We are not very sure that we could even take power from Ekufuado. Na yenjin disi ebejima aji 2 years for Ekufuado in sim. Na the Ekufuado die fame no, the whole country we were going through some psychological trauma. Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado took what we call the soul of the nation from us. We became slaves. We were looking around. Where is the hope? How are we going to get around this? The guy has taken over the military. He has taken over the police. He has taken over the judiciary. He has taken over parliament. The guy has taken over some corrupt chiefs and corrupt men of God. How do you go around it? But you see, we still had hope. We still had belief that the country Ghana that was left for us by the Nkrumah and the Yananamno, we got to that conclusion, say it was our responsibility to save our nation. Inti NDC focus on etie, and so niya nka bibia. We were quiet in our rooms, we were quiet in our houses, in our offices, we were quiet in our cars. Yetina trotro mo obi anka bibia. Yetina sorry dem a obi akosa kuhwehwe ni trim. Ye hyedem a ye hwe TV no obi aka na asama hwe ni trim. We were still listening to the message. We were all quiet. We were asking ourselves, what is 24-hour economy? What is 24-hour economy? John Mahama is speaking about a big push. John Mahama is talking about changing Ghana. John Mahama is talking about the economy, talking about bringing the dollar down, bringing inflation down, making sure a car a day as a nation or better. So there were so many things going on. We were confused. The NPP were still chopping our money. They were telling us John Mahama was lying to us. As I speak to you today, we can boast that the Abana ye told in 2024, no, it has not been wasted. 1 year, today passport office is running 24 hours. The Ghana port is running 24 hours. We have the DVLA running 24 hours. There are other government agencies rolling out 24-hour economy. Go to different sectors of the economy. We are talking about Ghana being under construction from Ho to Asantememu to the Yendi, all the way to a western region. Every single part of Ghana, roads are being constructed. We are talking about inflation. I bear inherited here, NDC from 53% today. Inflation single digit. We are talking about the dollar. NDC about power. Now it was 17, almost 18. Today we are talking about a dollar lingering around 11 and 12. We are talking about a car now many Ghana and the Ghana car Eswati. IMF for Abe assess the situation. Almost say from 2026 to 2027. You can't say dollar a bit increase and I say you seek a $7 one de cost just 8%. And the Kufuado 2024 na dollar Sibio rate a increase na about 23%. This is what we talk about progress. This is what we call about being optimistic, making sure the right things are done at the right time. When your friends say, watch your mind. It John Dramani Mahama in 2024 December, majority of us came out and said, we believe in your word. We believe in you. We believe in what you have done, and we know you can do better. So from the north to the south, every single vote went to John Mahama. Obviously, there are some votes that will go to the NPP, but percentage of John Mahama a winning election 2024, 57% and over. No, we as I say, Ghana, we have come to that point where ma atro in the enemy. So truth at the end of the day prevailed. And so far for a year, we have lived with the John Mahama administration for one solid year, no major scandal. For one solid year, this government didn't go out there to Obroni to borrow. For one solid year, as we sit here, Ghana have seen how dollar no at the abedru form. For one solid year, Ghana senior Bank of Ghana, Ghana sikasem. You go there, na NPP for so. Ye galamsey, say no, and there you took the gold board Obama, you structure how gold a bit to my benefit to Ghana. 9 months after Juma, and we are seeing improvement in the fight against galamsey. Young people today in our senior high schools, various senior high schools, are not complaining of bad food. Enquire omo JSS, SS, omo nyina enya sanitary pad, we have seen massive improvement in the lives of a majority of Ghana for Sebio na Jobu Bedikra Eding, Omo na Omudetri, Omodukofa, Nyoma Aberton Krana Eding, and Oko Abusu Kain, Oko Swame, Oko all the part of Ghana Yedija, a 24 Akumemuno, Omuse Ende, a Yetchin, Nanono. We have had confidence, young Yebida. Today, people are able to speak their minds. People are able to go out there and share their thoughts. People are not being victimized. Today, people are happy in their skin in Ghana. The John Mahama administration, Ghana say, it is not a perfect government, but it is one of the perfect governments we've had in our history. In Tienina, on December 7, 2024, we went out in Kwara, in Penifo, Apemfo, Embrewa, Enifrafo, Sebio Abafine, Sebio Nkrimofone Christopher. We all went out there and we made our voices heard. The voice of God, technically, is the voice of the people. Voxe populi, voxe Dei. John Dramani Mahama was made president. He won the elections, and Ghanaians were happy. And we are still happy. John Mahama and the NDC have proven themselves. After this short break, I'll pick phone calls.
The other day, something came to my mind when but at the time I have not heard of the Attorney General, because now at the end woman needs to say I want to do it for Ken Oforiatta. Say mention because it's getting critical for me.
Now kind newspaper now chatuo send be ya wudi 80 years awde akire wo nananom say na meka ho ne to aba edi yi nkofo free power me achi omugu so what you say match ma Wontumi ko demu Kenofurata ko demu omo mu di esika no nti unhia. You need to be part of the record, you need to be part of history. It also trans now witness the prosecution of Kenofurata now when na nananom nyini a ebede no bohu di esi. You are a representative o asasi so a wonananom ba beto e ma wa kire kyenwome mu akire omo. Suicide is out. Wait, yenina ye twan the history na to na ya ka kire na nanom ansa na yewu ye di 100 intimen ku ho dabi yen twan na yen record no yen history ni to yenina ejeli omu wie na enyini a ye na nanom ba na da chom say na meka ho meto abade bi in 2024 ye na e change Ghana destiny and the munyina munya den oman pa amutim. So what am I say? All right.
But when into John Mahama say metren Wontumi any John Mahama anti metren.
May I say thank you very much. Me pass and they will call no outside home me. All right. Inti
Martin.
At the end of the day, chairman relax it, chairman so on committee suicide bia anti at the end of the day do no. Also on the day amanfo mini amanfo. Inti I was telling the NPP. Sometimes no more NPP for me to say muti TV so na muti radio so na mo kasa na me busa me say enti ne krakra ne sen say de ekoso organ ne nyina no ye njanto ne meto abama mo ekwan ya ye no organ ne nyina na abai we akire say in the next 41 years o metuma ye kwan ya organ ne nyina no ye njae no nto ne meto mamo na mo me de mo be ye kwan na da me na mo ye kwan MP mo ye kwan da hospitals akesi aban we na adwen so obesi bia kan no yenye de yenja ne ento abom na mo si hospital da NPP mo si hospital da mo nim si hospital inti ana mo TV so na mo kasa ana mo say inti end game ne se ne kura say yenye de yensesan ya adwene ne ento ma mo ana na mo be den na mo si hospital da oni si hospital gwasiafo mo jimitu mo si hospital da my kwan da me say NDC for they can go low. NDC for at a point nyoma eye basa yeni omo ebeko through the heat say ahokyere ba yeni omo beko through ahokyere no say edien adedede ba yeni omo bedi adedede no NDC for because they are transparent and honest with us. It does not matter what you people are saying, no. Hey, dollar ne betuma ko do 20. We will still have confidence in the NDC. Mamen kan kire mu bio mo jimi tu mo NPP for. The dollar can get to 20. Ghanaians will still choose NDC over you people because we are dangerous people. Because mo see so from 1996 from a year mo nananom omo yi 700 pounds at a party mo see hospital da mo san kwase afo we mo NPP for mo jimi tu mo see hospital da mo see hospital da e o mas babrabom adenti entam Ghana mo kwase afo da be na mo ye kwan da and one year enye George Bush sika na ye mo anka so ma dwene se mo ye kwan da mo ye kwan a mo de mo din ato so da kwase afo inti yenye den yenja bibia inti na mo TV so kasa na mo gina parliament jimia me se inti ni nyina ne se ye wi a ye nsesan adwene se ye to amamo na hwan na wo mumu onim nyansa odisi hospital mumu why na wo mumu onim nyansa obetuma ka se yensi regional hospital why na wo mumu sankwas we why na betuma si regional hospital Ghana inti munja de mo keka no bibia nsesa muntie. We are on the right track. Heaven kokora enough from heaven ne kokora enough from. Yesu kura sebio yesi na ye onyankopon ba no ye bekunu kura na enough from. Inti oso tia se oman chichire enough from ba ode no kura chichire a emu ya din kura nipa be usa ampa no kura na ode chichire. Inti ye no ya jatum se NDC for ede no kura na chichire man no. Inti nyoma mu ya din kura at a point nyoma be din still ye ne NDC benante. At a point, nipa be high. At a point, sani e chichire man bibi be den kakra ye ni NDC for be chichire ye be boa omo every so meka no kura na kire ye atoforsen on twantro John Mahama on twantro Nano Poko Adjuman on twantro o meka no se na ye kire ye the Bank of Ghana governor on twantro. Into that is what we want. Into samadwiri am say ahokyere ba in the future ye nyina be ka se da bi ahokyere ba nti ye ma ba omian be die so abuofunu masi hospital da. Abuofunu musi so as a political party. Emuofunu musi hospital. Muni my dear friend hospital. Muni baby musi hospital da. Enti mwenja jimi no na monye ena ye beto aba ena mohwe de esi aba na ya tunde ye nu ye ho ena mukwasia moji se obianu no ho. Mo jimi tu mo jimi tu. Mo anam hwe na mo ye msere. Say Ghanaians will get up one day and say 2027, 2028. Hey, you knew you hey, Galam say you knew you hey, Jama, near day. Hey, you got to about 9 to call. In NPP before your cleaning system, no, may catch them will be a massacre.
Mr. Kevin Taylor, Obagana, I'll bet my cat wake up on a coin and a GF4. It is a who's can be we. Yen been chiro. Stadium no cry bobo no cry so
good so the assembly about a year sports fund no and the parliament are pass it sir idea for the sports fund on say John Mahama Eddie a year fund and fund no I said just ni na say e bi say Mahama case no a year eto a sebio ye tia na ye ato a year footwo bi mu a ye dey specific thing and the John Mahama leadership no parliament are pass it a year bill a ye free bi sports fund no juma ebedi nyina ne se eye takwa na wo na se stadium no asey a saa sika ne yi a eye takwa stadium ye de kwa hu adwuma e de se Mahama case na yare a kodan kwanko yare a se bio cancer breast cancer ne ade ye wa ye be yi bi wo ho e de ahwe obia no saa no bi na Mahama so ate aye frɛ no eye de sports funder and the parliament agia to minti problem no day. Also tell us from next year kono buy facilities any sports and yes soccer nkwa all sports, all disciplines, you know, aban we ebetwa sika ato futuma ya de be support eno. Nti I think say hono so what you say ho. That's it. Thank you very much. All right. Amanfo say aduane bo ekɔ fam amanfo say nyoma bebree bogus bia friend dey so kɔ porter cars na ekɔ ane say ekɔ omunya drivers po if you say drivers no obekɔ na ebi etukɔ because amanfo 24-hour economy port no ye adwuma nti all these things eboa build the economy into 24-hour economy no kakra you do it slowly na kakra no every area sector bia no so run 24 hours and Ghana is gradually changing amanfo tension in the system nim NPP for now mbaka kire mo say nyome mo ayede no and monko hwe omo ni omobusuafo omo ni age because omo tonyoma abofo omo ye esisifo omo ye akromfo na medwin say NPP for beka say Ghana ye din nti omo ndi bronya na wo Ghana nka omo kɔ Ethiopia enso ye ne omo de tia omo di and them no kan oma to mo hyedem oma ko to nyoma fofofo abegu fie na omudi obetena TV so a an na nyoma mu ayedin na jo Mahama nya hwe enso obi anka say Ghana mu ayedin timitu akɔ Ethiopia NPP fo da hone etia enso meka je say nyoma mu ayedin oboa odadao onim say nyoma ekoyie ena na dwemi no ka say omo MPC asoa mu egu ka mo ko mama maame ene omo sewa no mu nkurase omo koche mo anwa semina ni nyina fofofo enso betena parliament a nyoma mu ayedin enso obi eni wa wafri Ghana ha kotena Ethiopia say NDC ama nyoma mu ayedin ti ontumi ntena Ghana NPP omo nka no kre ma obi anje NPP fo ndi omo ye monsam ye boy ye wie ye no ye boy omo Nyankopon bo nipa wie no bo NPP fo omo nyina anya nipa enti omo angasa no omo ye echampon fie ena sebio omo be fra mu NPP fo omo ye echampon fie omo nya nipa enti omo no omo ya mo adi say oka no kreche omo nte enti de bia no mo ye serious na ye nchechire man no so omo hwe na senyome mo ayedin a omo ntu Ethiopia wo ho Uzbekistan wo ho Slovakia wo ho Bulgaria wo ho Moldova wo ho eye Singapore kurande eye omo tuma akọ eye Kazakhstan enti so omo fili a omo nko
na kansa Mahama wa ya de pa na mu pese me kasa mi free akemoda akemoda ofo ase ile bia nyina ase opon kuma kuru
I want to hear you know express ye kwan afa no big push the kwan be fam ho opon kuma endo no gina parliament say express road na ye be ye no ade akọ ose on pene so kojo opon kuma say on pene sa kwan ne so
egusu ekwan de egusu ekoso na mu ade mako na mesem Mahama so onye mai but obeje dis ehu ni krumu ni toilet public toilet won me
why krum
upon kruma krum ni public toilet won
kojo upon kruma ni krum ayire bi public toilet ba ko boni wo na 33,000 the krum enyina toilet 33,000 na ba omia musi ye no ankoti bi o wa ma no
ebi ni on
kojo upon kruma krum enyina se public toilet ni wo nti omo ne by heart
but
dabio o si kojo upon kruma ni krum enyina se
toilet ni o masa
toilet ni kojo upon kruma krum eno gina parliament ka brofo no
ye no package
ene enfa
but ye no public package
mukonni wo package
but
dabio e krom wona ankasa mo pe bebi ane a opon kroma krom edini de san
package
bebi e bobo de san e krodi de san
enyina ase akim enyina
ase munni wo package opon krom enyo na gibe ogina TV so kabrofo ana monte Mo be se be si toilet mama.
But so mon boy na mo toilet why.
Yo, yeah that's it.
Mon boy.
Yeah that's it. And this mama toilet why? Yeah mama toilet. Yeah that's it. Mama ne park ni chebe mama ja hone. Why? I kojo upon kroma. Ujina parliament ya issues contemporary and you know Jimmy ukrom omo ne package. Urade jago. Me catch so go from camera for parliament do ne Jimmy. Upon command and call for MPP no bebre Jimmy. Oh, we na parliament a we twi de matwi ne to. E cabrofo e cheche Ghana sikasemu. Ni kuro mo ne package abuofu. Yantam to me ma ho. MPP pa de won Jimmy o. Upon Krumajina Parliament, Mr. Speaker, you know, we in the minority and the finances and 60 billion has been pumped into the economy and you rebe. Pono, we shall pono, we are not going to package. Now, when you ferry upon Kruma, why would it say, Lasco fan, Abegina ho, Sana Ukrum, Omni or Parkaso. Mon friend and Kanjano. Just say, make a crobu to a baby so you fee. Mon friend and Casa, hey, Kevin Taylor show no sono, obi fro ukrum, obo ukrum ding. Or so ukrum for toilet bakuni ho. Omni package, uchi V8, on ton V8 nukosi, a bini dying. Upon chromatin crying, what to talk dying. And also an out V8, no police knitting chain. On ton car nunkosi bini dying, Emma ukrum for quanim. Ah, irade nyagopo enkofo wo ye Jimmy. Upon kroma, ultimi tonka no nkosi bini dan wo fie. E ma mbre wa giregyina park echi. En ne wo park echi. Wa Jimmy. Ah. Why would this Lasco fan? On nam Ghana. Hey. And wait wutu no wo boyi. Ai, mo NPP for. Mo ankwase afo. Kojo upon kroma na nam nkran no. Di krom ebini dan ni ho. Why did it take as a Lasco fan? Or the parliament cabrofo na ebini to your two. O two can. What jaw 9 Emma on paper age in a parliament cabrofo. Ukrom for na afro. Upon Gruma. Ujina part Mr. S get me some of his videos in parliament. Mama upon Gruma video ba kuna membonche the krom for. Or the parliament na aircon no born one oshe pono office. And odidi ma. And the kruma ya wo na the fruma shahono ebini dine ho. O free ya catch up some mo Jimia I na bogin say ye di matem o te parliament cabrofo e bini dan ni krom o dwan mo sore yan tampa power mamo na want to mean see e bini dan ma nkofo nya baby nne ene wo park chi e be ka je say mentam to me ma wo bodam emmebe NPP member mo Jimmy tu Upon Kruma, and I know Chrome for Abacano. I'm the Kevin catching a cojon pronkrama, your Chroma, ye ni, baby, I ne, baby, omni be. Just swallow took, omni baby, I ne, just swallow took, omni be. La pantron, she tem cromony be, les sois le pantroc, omni, say, o kind of French mouse say, les zou, si le pois, la pantroc, just say, ye ni, she tem cromony be. O ten crank a canquasia brofo, o free. Quo crom cosi bini dying. Ne phone back over to me see public toilet. Phone the kojo ponkroma phone back on the phone back o use. A bit me see public toilet. Or ten cran or flash. Or the job 600 mu. Sa a parliament dan and this phone CEO. Or ne wo hot no flash. Teletro e si e ye the office wo etumi e den eja ema obi getre wo krom o free one no flash onhwe ni bi why this akwara mo frano e ye akwara mo frano Bulgaria the friend na oje bribe no there you go the friend na oje bribe no Bulgaria me win the friend oje bribe just akwara o bribe fucking Ni friend oje bribe. Who be that? Now oje bribe. Now oje bribe ye be national television so na ojina.
Hello.
South Bulgaria got just a minute your mama you desperate. Hey Bulgaria. Oh. Hello. This is not a joke. And it make nobody think say what we do here no a kids play. Anka man for bebraye bi. You hun conform start here and you saw almost 10, 20, 30 minutes. They cannot keep their focus up again. It is not easy. We saw it. So many people try to challenge me. So many people try to do what I do. And sometimes you watch it, it's like, how does this guy get it right all the time? Why is his production so solid? Why is his sound so solid? Why is his TV so solid? Why? It is because I have put a lot of money in this. From my studio, me do raho, not me do the second studio. Now my first studio said me check here, and I have friends who have been to my studio. It's going to cost over $300,000 worth of equipment. So it is not like Kevin Soyano Betna, Omo America, why can't they build things like, let's say, mini studio? Why can't they do what I do? We think it's a joke? Because just to go on air with all your platforms running, with TV running, how you don't have the resource, it's not even going to work. Your data cannot even support it. Do you think it's just about putting a computer before you, putting a TV, a gaming machine before you, and connecting something and say, no, this is a whole production. No, you won't see anything like that. Sound is off. And unless me mistakenly, maybe I turn the sound off. This is a lot of investment. So don't underestimate what we do here. Don't think, say, you can just get up and say, Kevin Taylor, the NB. You need to sacrifice your life. And God being so good, Onyankopon, I think he prepared me for this. I've been built from the beginning for this. I can do this show for 8 hours non-stop. I will not be tired. And I will not lose focus. And I will make sure I did that table, what I came to explain to you, I will do it. And Obiane de Onimie. Anything Messi is good at what he does, Cristiano Ronaldo is good at what he does. That's why I'm good at what I do. That is why if I see somebody trying to envy me and somebody trying to have an issue with me, because I come with something. What do you come with? And I don't give a heck about a politician because I don't need a politician to survive. I come with something in my hand. I don't care about somebody who is in power or out of power. It does not matter which political party is in power. I still control what I control because I have built something for myself. So I don't make a politician intimidate me because I believe in what I have built. And nobody is going to intimidate me thinking, sir, or the position and now where they sit. No, because I am not coming to the table empty-handed. I have worked hard to get here. I have worked hard to get to this point. And I'm confident in what I do. And I don't play with my job. I don't play with my job. But I need to work. I don't play with my job. So what study me? I'm somebody. Sometimes I crack jokes a lot. I do, but when it's my job, it's my job. And when you see me in person, you will not believe. But you say, I am not a Kevin you see on TV. That is me. My job is my job. My team, they are solid. When it comes to the job, you will do it. When it comes for us to joke around or play, we will play. That is me. I'm professional at what I do. Intimino, that is why I am not scared of anybody. It took me years to master this. It took me years to believe in myself. It took me years to understand what I am doing. It took me years to gather this courage to get to this point. It is not a joke. But me as a city, Kevin, it is done. No man can say be a platform and it is going to distract Kevin. It is going to make him slow down. It is going to take him his eye off the ball. Nobody. Because what I do, I'm not in competition with anybody. I do what I know best. This is what I do and I believe in it. So I don't get distracted easily. I don't, but I can distract you easily. I don't get distracted easily. Unless me person may feel. But when I decide to say, I'm going to be on you, and that is the power some of us yield. And it is the grace of God. I'm not more educated than 90% of Ghanaians, but the will of God. There are so many people who have tried so many things of my life, and I know most of them. But at the end of the day, so you cannot do anything. You can't. So we need to get this right. I am not tired yet. When I am tired, I will tell you. But answer na meka some ajima homeno na my exhaust every single thing in John Mahama's brain until that is exhausted. I will never be tired. No. In Zobi Gacha, like Kevin Taylor is going to stop now. That person is making a mistake. I am not tired. And I'll make sure answer that this platform is done. Now there are 1,000 Kevin Taylors every evening we can watch and believe in. It is my job. And I'm not selfish. I will definitely get somebody to replace me. I will get somebody to do what I do better than me. I know. And I have that belief. that at a point, I'll be on TV twice a week, and that person will be on TV 3 times a week, and you will not miss me. And I know it will happen. So I'm not tired yet, and I'm not going anywhere yet. As far as me ya Ghana ni ba, me ma me ya Ghana ni, me papa ya Ghana ni, I am not going anywhere. It does not matter which political party is in power. Me, no political party any bit to affect my life. It's a party we ask into something of mine will get missing or out. No, I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I've told Ghana for when it comes to party, I mean, believe say Obube to me Aje Ghana. I am an NPP person, but I believe in the principles and vision of the NDC. I carry an NPP card. I have paid dues to the NPP. But when it comes to being patriotic and believing in a party that can develop this nation, me hesitating, it is the NDC. That is why I want the NDC to still stay in power for long and the NPP to be a good opposition for long. That is my job. I have no problems with anybody. It is not personal. Maybe Pante party, maybe Amente party. These are the facts. So if you don't like me, I don't give a fuck. Maybe I want it. If you don't like me, a call. My kids, they love me. My wife, she loves me. My mother loves me so much. My father loves me. My brothers. Into you not liking me, I don't give a fuck about you. All I want to do is to do my job and get the job done and the right thing done. Finito. I don't care. Because for a long time, Nana Minimo, no, I made it. So you or me knowing you today is not going to add anything. Into me, when I meet people, I don't ask you where you are from. I don't ask you in Tombe and Aobo. I don't ask you, maybe in the conversation you tell me, but I don't care. I don't care. Because we too quiet, no. Broni bia ni wa bonton. Broni bia ni wa oni ekuo we na nam. Broni bia ni wa mebusan say ebusua be na obo. And so I was able to live with people outside Ghana and I made it. So it is not about where you are coming from. It's about, are you ready to let us think as reasonable people? You cannot distract me. I can distract you because I've been built to do this. Maka same way. If you are sitting somewhere else thinking you can distract me, you can't. By me, Ekobedu, I can distract you because I was built for this. And this goes to the NDC. Yeah, Tumufo, yeah, Damase, yeah, Pampamo, yeah, Mamu Praises. Me, Ekwametihe, and this goes to the NDC appointees. This statement, it goes to every NDC appointee. I don't care who you are. I don't care your relationship with the president. I don't care your relationship with the president's wife. I don't care your relationship with the vice president. I don't care your relationship with the chairman of the party. I don't care your relationship with anybody in the party. If I catch you, if I get the facts that you want to embarrass John Mahama's government, I will sacrifice you. I don't care who you are. It does not matter who you are. If the fact gets to me, the second year you remain, and I get the facts, Maka, it does not matter who you are. For you to disgrace John Mahama there, we would rather sacrifice you for John Mahama to lead. And to me, I'm making it clear. I am making it clear here. I have no prize when it comes to politics. My allegiance is to John Mahama's wisdom. And that nyansan done it no eno ena menene wo chaka. So if you are not ready to work for this government and to push John Mahama's agenda, it is better Obekwa Kachen and say he should sack you or resign. Media, I'm telling you. I am telling you from today. Because at a point, some people were stuck outside Ghana, sacrificing for people inside Ghana. I will never say Minkwana Miyejumama NDC about power. Every single person also worked because Sankwan Kotwabana and NDC Winnie. Kamekasa Yekasa na UGD na 1 Twabana and power number. So you have also done your part, and we have to keep doing it. Intermediate, I'm setting the record straight. It does not matter who you are. You can be the president's cousin, brother, sister, the president's wife's brother, sister, cousin. You can be the vice president's son's daughter. I don't care. So nobody should factor me in their political, saving your political life. No. If you don't want to have an issue with me, do what is right. Because I've got nothing to lose. My job is to make sure this man succeeds. Last me catch them. So me nam tokrechi adan bi echi na me say John Mahama is even speaking ill of me. It is not John Mahama that and I have a problem. Me what I worship about John Mahama is the wisdom I had mine. So John Mahama can say whatever he wants to say about me. I wouldn't be pissed off. John Mahama can say he does not like Kevin Taylor. He doesn't even want to say, I wouldn't be. As far as his brain is ready to help, I will support that. And that is what I support. Intermediate, I've set the rules. Let us do what is right. Let us take our salary that we know we have to take. Let us not involve ourselves in anything sketchy. There's nothing like bad money. If you want a contract in the government, use the right channel. When you are giving the contract, deliver. Your mouth contractor say ya dear way. So when your contract na ya dear no. First wabaswa na wedi. Do not go take a contract and decide not to do it. As I sit here, but nobody should steal from us. Nobody should steal from the people. Abain ba obia wo ekwan obefa so enya contract obenya ekwan afa so enso edidi ama ebia omo hwe no. It is normal. I don't have a problem, but do not do it illegally. So person your contractor per contract abain mu, seek it the right way, and when you get the contract, do it. That is all. Nobody is stopping anybody from going for contracts. Nobody is stopping anybody from lobbying for a contract. Nobody is stopping anybody from getting something from government. You are human. You need to work. You are a contractor. You are a normal guy. You have an idea. You have heard that this contract here, you have to apply. You have to go through the process. When you get it, do the job and take your money. But don't ever think you are going to duplicate documents and at the end of the day, take government money and not deliver. I will not agree. I won't. So I would you 20 contracts now delivering, I don't have a problem with you. So I would you 50 contracts, now so to my deliver. Now say deliver ya. I don't have a problem with you. But Monsieur Count, now I will say, Ube to me bibi won yet no for second. Media Debi amaka de oye ahwenhwema de no ontafre ne kwa ne nsa kwa wa we adwuma bia ma NDC ba power what the opportunity to seek for a contract to help you to also build you, seek for it, but do it the right way. So on saka contract na tie me wa we adwuma din bia the NDC ba power we a contractor do it, seek for it, look for it, push. When you land on the contract, one thing, say 10 million, now say 10 million, fire. Because that 10 million, when you say they are on first home, Otto on first on a Juma. Man, Jessica, and Casawa, and Jumano. And no dear Chimau. We all have to be ambitious. We all have to try and seek and find. There's nothing wrong about you trying to go look for something in government. But make sure whatever you're going to look for, the mawa obey. Menya wa adwene say me koje diskano. Ene de obedem. Ene de obeden obedem. Me, I'm saying it. It is simple as that. It is all person ko pe bibi wa ban mu a hwehwe on krata. Look for the people you think can help you push it forward. One second, deliver. A buying contract. Obey coin, obey supply, obey dien. I don't have a problem with you. Make sure a buying sikana ya the amount of fire you will do it. Because also be a DD. But you cannot take advantage of the government or the people or the taxpayer, and they will not agree. It is our idea to work with government. Have that idea say ubeye jumano. And no. I don't have a problem with anybody.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.